one of our employees who was here when we opened the door 20 years ago, who is our CEO, Christopher Dawes.
Our Children's Hospital is only as good as our community support, and we are very good because we've had just incredible support from the community. So those of you who can hear me, let's give a big hand of applause for everyone who supports the hospital and the community.
Thank you very much, Chris and Sherri, for organizing today. As Chris mentioned, I'm the physician-in-chief at the Lucille Salter Packard Children's Hospital, and really today I'm speaking on behalf of all the physicians and surgeons at this wonderful institution. I think if there's one message I'd like you all to hear from me and my medical colleagues is a very large thank you to this community. So why would I stand up here and thank the community? Because it's my honor and privilege to be the leader of the physicians in a community which places the value of children first and foremost. Children are indeed our future of this country, and by investing in them through a variety of programs, and most importantly in their health, we're all ensuring together that we're going to have a great future.
What's phenomenal is that in this short period of time, this institution has become a real national leader. As you may know, the state legislature voted that all hospitals in the state had to, by 2013, upgrade for seismically sound earthquake proofing. And what that meant is that Lucille Packard Children's Hospital came to the city of Palo Alto and said, not only do we want to upgrade this facility, but we want to make sure that for the next 20, 50, 100 years, we're really a world leader in care that's provided for children and families around the world. It took a few years to work through this process, but go check out that booth and see the plans for the new hospital. It's truly phenomenal. It'll be not only a community resource here in Palo Alto, but really a leading hospital around the world. We're excited about that. We're excited to be here today and celebrate the last 20 years. But we're really looking forward to the next 20 and the next 100 because we have no doubt that this hospital will continue to be a leader. So thank you very much for having us here today. This will be in a frame, thrilled to provide this proclamation, but just really excited for the future of this hospital. Thank you very much.
You know, East Palo Alto is a scant 3.5 miles away from this hospital. And many of our children are born at Stanford. Many of our children who have major medical needs are served by the Children's Hospital. And many of our children in East Palo Alto who actually don't come this far actually are served by the Ravenswood Health Clinic, which is significantly subsidized by the hospital itself, as well as our mobile vans that were donated by the Children's Hospital. Excuse me. And there's a very close relationship between our community in East Palo Alto, the Palo Alto community, as well as the Stanford Medical Center and the Lucille Packard Children's Hospital. And I just wanted to say that we too are giving the Children's Hospital a proclamation. And let me just read the now therefore. Now therefore be it highly resolved that the City Council and the City of East Palo Alto salute, excuse me, and thank Lucille Packard's Children's Hospital for its ongoing medical care to our community's children and families, and congratulates it on its 20 years of service to both the regional community as well as to East Palo Alto. Thank you very much for all your help, and we certainly could hope that we will continue indeed to have many, many years of the hospital in our community working with us. Thank you again.
Today, we are here to celebrate serving children and families from near and far. This is a very bright, very valuable jewel in the crown of California's 14th Congressional District. So therefore, the Honorable Anna Eshoo, Member of Congress, 14th District, extends her most sincere congratulations and warmest best wishes to Lucille Packard Children's Hospital at Stanford on its 20th anniversary. I also can tell you very proudly that 3 of my grandchildren were born here at Lucille Packard Children's Hospital. So I can attest to the value of having this kind of hospital in our district. Right over there, you can see it from here, and tell you what a fabulous job and what wonderful work they do. The hospital itself has received many awards, accolades, most recently ranking high on the 2010 list of America's best children's hospitals, published by New U.S. News. The publication ranked 3 of the children's hospital's specialties in the nation's top 10, including cardiology, heart surgery, kidney disorders, and neonatology, and was the only children's hospital in the Bay Area to make the list. There are lots of kids' hospitals. This is a special hospital.
I'm here actually to say thank you on behalf of the 15,000 children that have been, San Mateo children that have been cared for here at Lucille Packard Hospital. And to also say thank you because you continue to care for our most needy children on a regular basis. You've never said no when we've asked you to step up and help us, and I think for the next 20 years you'll probably always be kind to us again. So thank you for taking care of our children, and to Chris and to Sherri, thank you for being the world's greatest advocates for children and for children's hospitals.
I just want to take a minute to say that when you have a celebration for a 20th birthday, it is perhaps easy to forget that the days, the weeks, the months, and the years that added up to 20 were really made up of extraordinary moments here at the Children's Hospital. Anyone who has ever been inside the hospital knows that there are moments of joy, there are moments of anguish, there are moments of extraordinary courage, and perhaps most importantly, and what we're celebrating today, is the moments when miracles happen at this place. So as we think about 20 years, and that's a wonderful thing to celebrate, let's take a moment now to remember all of those extraordinary moments that make Packard the special place that it is. And please join me and my colleague from the State Assembly, Rich Gordon, in thanking Packard for 20 years of extraordinary moments, the place where miracles happen. Congratulations.